Hey everyone, this is Montage Tech, and today we're diving deep into the latest Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. This new foldable packs several exciting updates and features that make it stand out. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design and build. The Fold 6 is shorter and wider than its predecessor, with more squared-off corners, making it more compact overall. It's thinner and weighs 239 grams, which is 14 grams lighter than the Fold 5. Additionally, it boasts an IP48 rating, offering better dust resistance compared to the Fold 5's IPX8. It's built with enhanced armor aluminum for the frame and hinge, making it 10% stronger. Color-wise, you can choose from Silver Shadow, Pink, and Navy, with two exclusive colors on Samsung's website, crafted black and white. Moving on to the display, the main screen of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 remains 7.6 inches, but now has a more square aspect ratio of 20:918, making it more immersive and ideal for tasks like reading, browsing, or using split-screen apps. The cover display is now 6.3 inches with a 22:9 aspect ratio, significantly improving usability for quick interactions, notifications, and typing. The Fold 6 also boasts up to 2,600 nits peak brightness, a substantial increase from the Fold 5's 1,750 nits, ensuring better visibility even in bright conditions. This makes the display incredibly bright and easy to see under direct sunlight. In summary, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 offers a more immersive main screen, a more usable cover display, and significantly improved brightness for better outdoor visibility. Let's talk about performance. The Fold 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, delivering 41% faster NPU performance, 25% faster GPU performance, and 14% faster CPU performance. It also comes equipped with a 1.6 times larger vapor chamber for better thermal management, especially during intensive tasks like gaming. Even though it has the same 4,400 mAh battery as the Fold 5, the improved efficiency promises around 2 more hours of video playback. Charging capabilities remain solid with 25W wired charging, allowing a 50% charge in just 30 minutes. It also supports 15W fast wireless charging. The camera system has seen some refinements as well. The front cameras include a 10MP selfie camera on the cover screen and a 4MP under-display camera for video calls. The rear setup consists of a 12MP ultra-wide, 50MP primary, and 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Thanks to the new image signal processor, you can expect better image and video quality. S Pen enthusiasts will be pleased to know that the Fold 6 supports the S Pen on the main display and now comes with a slimmer case. While it's not embedded, if you have an S Pen from the Fold 5, it will still work with the Fold 6. On the software front, the Fold 6 ships with Android 14 and One UI 6. 1.1, with Samsung promising 7 generations of OS updates and 7 years of security updates. The Fold 6 also boasts second-generation AI features. Call Assist offers real-time translation during calls with AI noise suppression. Chat Assist helps rewrite emails and messages, and Interpreter provides live translation in both voice and text with a new conversation mode in Flex Mode. Note Assist formats, summarizes, spell checks, and translates notes, while Transcript Assist transforms recordings into transcripts. Browsing Assist summarizes web pages, and Photo Assist includes advanced features like object removal, style transformation for portraits, and sketch-to-image for creating photorealistic results from doodles. Drawing Assist turns simple drawings into art, and Circle to Sum calculates equations by circling them. Many of these AI features are also available on the Fold 5, with the potential for more to be added later. As for pricing, the Fold 6 starts at £1,800 in the UK and $1,900 in the US, slightly higher than the Fold 5. So, is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 worth it? With notable improvements in design, display, performance, and AI features, it certainly makes a strong case. Whether it's worth the upgrade depends on your needs, but with the trade-in offers and enhanced capabilities, it's a compelling option. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, smash that like button and consider subscribing for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Check out my coverage of the iPhone 16 series through the links in the description below. This is Montage Tech, signing off.